In this lesson, we will evaluate a single integral step by step with clean algebra and a helpful substitution. Here is the integral. The integral of x cubed over the quantity x squared plus 1 squared with respect to x. Notice the repeated quantity x squared plus 1 in the denominator. To simplify, let u equals x squared plus 1, so that du equals 2x dx. This substitution matches the highlighted denominator. Next, we rewrite the numerator to include the piece x dx. X cubed dx equals x squared times x dx. But x squared is u minus 1, and x dx is 1/2 du. Therefore, x cubed dx equals parenthesis u minus 1 parenthesis times du over 2. Now substitute everything into the integral. The denominator becomes u squared, and the numerator becomes parenthesis u minus 1 parenthesis times du over 2. So the integral equals 1/2 times the integral of quantity u over u squared minus 1 over u squared du. This simplifies to 1/2 times the integral of 1 over u minus 1 over u squared du. Integrate term by term. The integral of 1 over u is the natural log of the absolute value of u. The integral of negative 1 over u squared is plus 1 over u. Altogether we get 1/2 times bracket natural log absolute u plus 1 over u bracket plus c. Finally, substitute back u equals x squared plus 1. The result is 1/2 times the natural log of x squared plus 1, plus 1 divided by 2 times the quantity x squared plus 1, plus c. That is the complete evaluation, shown with a clear substitution and clean algebra.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on Myverse Maths.